DNA uses a basic 4-letter code, A, C, T, and G, to code for everything we see in life. And this can be read as music. And here it is, direct from the laboratories. We have ACTG sequence here, and we also have a software that was specially designed to read that code and play it back to us. And we can, for the first time, listen to Elvis Presley's genetic musical signature. What we can do is we can export that and bring it into a more sophisticated composition program. We can now see that that code has transformed itself into an actual sheet of music. For example, I've put a piano here. So we are now hearing a melody of Elvis Presley derived from a sample of his hair. And what we're going to do is make this available, free for musicians all over the world to give their own interpretation, to share in Elvis's music and give everybody an idea that Elvis lives again.